we see here is the AC100, which is our cloud companion. Basically, it's technology based on Tegra 2 chipset, also system on a chip, same as we have in the 4100, and Android basis as operating system. Here is Android 2.1. We see that the whole setup of the menu is almost the same, so you can just move with the cursors. It's very easy to use. You don't need to use really the trackpad. You can do everything with the cursors and use also all the shortcuts you see here. For example, the menu button is going just down into the menu. Settings button. The overall things that you go into the settings. Shortcuts such as play, fast forward. Display can be adjusted in brightness, a touchpad on-off buttons, and so on. So you have a really easy to use interface, which is the keyboard, and really fast for inputting information. So basically this device has the same very high battery life and standby times. So standby 7 days in the idle mode. Basically when we just close the lid, we will see that here the system will be in standby. With the system on a chip, the standby time is very long because the leakage is low, so it's not like an Intel-based device. The leakage is very low, and you see here, for example, with Android, now the system is in idle mode. It's completely shut off, but you still have the possibility over an LED, which is here on the right side, to get notifications, for example, that the mail is coming in. Then you just open this device and you will see how fast it's turning up. 1 second, 2 seconds, it's there. So no boot time at all. You can just quickly go through into your different menus and surf directly and be productive with a very fast typing keyboard. Here we see the 2 speakers of the system and the battery, which is neatly get into the whole system and allows the whole system to have something between 8 and 10 hours battery life, depending on the usage you have, and this very long standby times being 7 days, which is completely different from any netbook. A netbook is under normal circumstances in a standby, running out of battery within a day or 1.5 days, so because of this leakage thing. Here, very nice system, always on, even always on, high standby times. Very important here is that we have the possibility to really input new data, not only through synchronizing, but using the interfaces. For example, here the SD card, supporting high-speed SD cards. Here an HDMI port, which is supporting then to get the full HD content out of the device. It's supporting 1080p, which is a very high resolution, high definition resolution, and it's going out to the TV, for example, through HDMI. Then you have here on the right side the USB interface 2.0, and you have then here the USB host, so that you can also get the device connected to a normal notebook, for example. AC plug-in, and just here no interface, very sleek design. With 850 grams, very light, 30% lighter than any netbook, and with a nice 10-inch true white display.